Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to download Spotify Wrapped 2023. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, open the Spotify app on your device. Then open the Spotify Wrap. Here you will see many slides, but keep in mind that all these slides cannot be downloaded. Only the main slides, such as your top artists, your top songs, minutes, listens, etc., can be downloaded. Now, when you tap on Share this to your story at the bottom, you will see this pop-up menu. Here you will see Copy Link, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Telegram, and Download icon. When you tap on this download icon, the slide which you have selected will be downloaded. So, when you will open Photos, you will see the slide that you have downloaded. Keep in mind that you cannot download the entire Spotify Wrap. You can only download last few slides, and they will appear as photos in your device gallery. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.